Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus 13, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, you will want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time, which will bring up your boot options, and then swipe down to power off your device. Now when the device turns off, which will be indicated by the vibration, hold power button and volume down. So both of the buttons at the same time, and after a moment you will see the OnePlus logo show up on the screen. When you do, let go of the power button, but keep holding volume down. Now, before we can enter recovery mode, you will need to select your desired language. Now this is super dim, so sorry for that, but you can see we have two languages that are more visible and one a little bit less in my opinion, and the one that I'm interested in is the last one, which is English. Once you select it, you have three options. We have format data, reboot the device, which takes us back to Android, and power off, obviously turns off the device. Now under format data, we just have a factory reset of the device, which clears everything that is stored on a device and brings it back to like the beginning stage when you first unboxed it. Anyway, I'm gonna go to the reboot device, confirm it by selecting OK, and this, like I mentioned before, will bring me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.